In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section. This one, called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Then, if you have Add Password option, click on it and add your password by inputting all of those informations. At the top, any website. Select App. And when you're done with this portion, just enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password was successfully added. Now, in case you don't have Add Password option, that means that you never added one before. So your screen probably looks like this. Don't worry, we can fix it by going into Settings and making sure this option, called Offer to Save Passwords, is on. Then just leave Settings opened in the background and log in into any website or any app that requires an account. After you will log in, you will see Google Password Manager pop up. You need to make sure to tap on Save. Like this. Now, after you will tap on Save, go back to Devices Settings, then to your Password Manager, and your first password will be here along with Add Password option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!